Why the Badoo app is not working properly. Today we will discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix Badoo app not open. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Open settings. Open the date and time settings. Tap Set Time automatically to reset time to whatever location you are currently at. Click Back. Click About Device. Click Storage. Then click Clean Up. Click Clean. Click Back. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find Badoo app. Click Badoo app. Click Storage Use. Click Clear Cache. Then click Clear Data. If you clear data, you will need to relog into your account. Then click Delete. Then open Google Play Store. Then search Badoo app. Click Badoo app. If you get any update, please update. Hope your issue is resolved. If anyone still has problem, it might be a server problem. Please try again after a while. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.